In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job in BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to go to your dashboard and you want to click on hiring over here on the left. Now whenever you do this, it's going to open up a separate tab here where you essentially can, of course, add a new job opening. So you want to go to job openings and click on new job opening over here. Now you're going to have to type in all the information over here. So the posting title, the job status, the hiring lead, etc. There's a bunch of different things. And then you have to go down through these steps over here. So I'm actually going to type in a sample right now just to show you. It's going to be a tutorial sample over here, but of course for you, you can type in the actual posting title and then the job status as well. Over here, I'm going to do, for example, open, and then here you have to put on the, of course, hiring lead. Now I am viewing sample data over here. That's why there's a bunch of different things in here. This is sample data, but of course for you, it's going to be likely empty, or of course, according to your own current setup. Now here, some things are necessary, which have these stars over here, or if they don't have it, like this, for example, things are not actually necessary to, of course, fill out. So I'm just going to leave it blank over here, and the employment type, I'm going to select as full-time over here, and then as you can see, job location is also going to be available. I'm going to do either on-site, and you can put location, hybrid, or you can do remote as well, okay? Now, whenever you do this, you can, of course, type in the country, cities, descriptions, etc., and in here, you can just type in, of course, your job description, and then you can go to the next step by clicking over here where it says next step. Then you have to fill in the application details, so there's going to be a bunch of different ones. You want to go and select whichever ones you want over here. So as you can see, there's a bunch of things you can, of course, add as application questions, and you can also preview the application by clicking this button over here, which is quite cool. And then when you're done, if you want to add any additional questions, you can add them over here as well. Then you can go to your next step over here, which is going to be your job pipeline. So in here, as you can see, you're going to be able to create your job pipeline if you want to, so you can enable this or disable this, up to you. And then you can go and click on next again, and here you can set up the automated emails if you want to, so you can go and set up your email to be sent automatically when a candidate status is changed, and you can basically set this over here. And then you can go to the next step, which is job boards, and then over here, as you can see, I can't actually set this up, I can't post it because my account is in trial mode, but if it wasn't, I'd be able to do this as well. And then from here, you'll just be able to save your job and then post it, okay? So that's really basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.